project that offers scenic views of the outer ring road and your Osman Sagar Lake. If you have been looking for something like this, then stop and watch the video till the end. Why exactly should you be investing in this project? Unlike any standard high-rise that sticks to a 10-foot vertical frame, Skyra builds every single floor to a massive 11-foot height. This extra vertical volume increases natural airflow, which is very important in a house. Let's talk a little about the builder. You see, Raj Pushpa Properties is a prominent and trusted real estate developer over here who has always provided on-time delivery and quality construction. So here's presenting Raj Pushpa Skyra by Raj Pushpa Properties. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas. Today we will be doing the project overview of Raj Pushpa Skyra by Raj Pushpa Properties, which is located on Nishada Road, Gandhipet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. Before starting, this is what the surrounding of your project is going to look like. Your marketing office is present right over here and your land parcel is just a little distant from here. Now let me tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. And unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But you see, with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like your project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Firstly, let's understand the project. So it is going to be constructed on 6.55 acres of land parcel featuring 3 towers with 3 basement, 1 stilt and 56 floors, which is going to include your 3 BHK and your 4 BHK. Let's understand the location. Like I told that this is the exact location of the project, which is located on Nishada Road, Gandhipet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. From here, when we talk about connectivity, your Keystone International, your Continental Hospital, even your Nehru Outer Ring Road, all of them just connected easily. Now let's talk about your connectivity distance. So your Keystone International School is just 1.2 kilometers away, your Continental Hospital just 2 kilometers away, your Nehru Outer Ring Road just 2.4 kilometers away. Let's know a little about the amenities. Of course, the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse, your amphitheater, your sports courts, and a lot more. Now, if you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Rights of Home Buyers series. A lot of home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. Well, for example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct, right? Or sometimes after possession, you will have leakage, construction quality related issues. You sometimes don't even know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all your legal rights. That is why we have explained all these important topics in a very easy and simple, understandable manner. So you need to just click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below and go watch the series. Let's talk about the BHK, that is the super built up area. For 3 BHK, you are getting over here 3140 to 3375 square feet, and for 4 BHK, you are going to get 3830 to 5350 square feet. Let's discuss the booking process. As of now, the project booking is open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete entire details, share the pricing and the payment plan as well. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Raj Pushpa Skyra by Raj Pushpa Properties, which is located on Nishada Road, Gandhipet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, from where you can easily download your e-brochure and your pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.